Hi, you want to know how to connect your lights with a CDC controller? I'm going to show you. This is your CDC controller. To connect your controller with one of your lights, you have to check if your controller is on. After you switch the light on, you have 90 seconds to connect. So choose the zone you want to add the light to and then push the button 2 times short, 1 time long, and after that the light is going to blink. So you can control your light with the color wheel or dim it or push the W button for the white shine. So enjoy your light. For more infos, follow us on Facebook, YouTube or Instagram.